Helicopter fanatics, gear up! We're counting down the top 5 military choppers you must know about. At number 5, we've got the legendary Apache AH-64. This beast packs a punch with its powerful weaponry and armor. Coming in at 4, it's the Russian Kamov Ka-52 Alligator. With its unique coaxial rotors, it's as deadly as it is agile. Number 3, the Eurocopter Tiger. Designed for speed and precision, this heli is a true predator in the skies. At number 2, the Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk. Reliable and versatile, the Black Hawk is a staple in military operations worldwide. And finally, at number 1, the Boeing CH-47 Chinook. This heavy-lift helicopter can carry troops, artillery, and even other helicopters, absolutely unmatched. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-flying content.